How to auto scroll on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once you do that, go ahead and open up the app.
Wait, bro!
Now, once you are on the app right here, what you need to do is you need to click and hold on any place on the screen or the video till you get this pop-up window right here, in which you will see that there are a lot of options. One of them is this auto scroll option or feature, so click on it, and as you can see, as soon as you hit that button, TikTok tells you that your next video will be shown automatically after this video ends. And also you will see that there's a new option that appeared on your top right corner of your screen under the search icon, which is the button so you can end the auto scroll if you wanted to. So let's go ahead and click this video.
It's raining!
4 years without rain.
4 years in Junaid without the rain! MashaAllah! 4 years without the rain, and now it's raining in the middle of the desert.
Where are you from?
I'm from Algeria.
Now, as you can see, as soon as that first video has ended, it automatically scrolled to the second one. Now, let's go ahead and find another short video. Now, when this video ends, it should auto scroll to the next one.
It's running! Hey, Kiki! This is running! Kiki! This is running!
As you can see, it has automatically scrolled to the next video. Now, if you wanted to end this auto scroll feature, you can simply click on that button. And as you can see, TikTok here told you that the auto scroll has been ended, and now you need to manually scroll to your next videos, just like you usually do. So that was it for this video. That's how you can auto scroll on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.